As you've mentioned to me in the past, it is a really good way to generate potential investing ideas, maybe companies that you hadn't heard of before or that had fallen off your radar. So, with that in mind, let's take another look at Soros. So, this past 13F revealed a purchase within the last quarter of Gilead Sciences and Novavax, and also the IBB, which is a healthcare biotech ETF.
We've been following Soros a lot. There's some great content available on Motley Fool where you can look at it and sort of see what he's doing quarter to quarter to quarter. And I think that if you kind of look at a history lesson and kind of follow that activity, you see that Soros is not afraid of owning biotechnology stocks and taking on that risk. In more recently, though, he's been paring some of his exposure to individual biotech companies back. He's been less likely to go out and own some of these things. Yet he's still very intrigued by the industry overall. And who can blame him, right? I mean, biotechnology stocks are some of the offer some of the most enticing potential returns. And biotech as an industry has absolutely been clobbered in the last 6 months. So I think that you look at his purchase of the IBB, which is the biotechnology, NASDAQ Biotechnology Index ETF, as a way of him saying, I can get exposure to, 190 stocks.
Wait, but what I don't understand here is this is a guy that is a specialist investor that knows biotech, has been investing in biotech forever, and is basically admitting defeat is what it seems like to me, where he's saying, no, I don't want to have all these smaller biopharma positions. Let me just buy the broader index, which, for a lot of people that makes sense, get the exposure without the risk. But that doesn't seem like Soros to me.
It's not very Soros-like, is it? Normally he will go out and he will make specific bets. And in this case, it's almost like he just said, everything got so beat up that I'm just going to buy everything.
Yeah, it's like a white flag or something. But, I will point out that he did have one smaller buy in the biotech world, and that was Novavax.
Right, which is really interesting because this is a company that's working on a vaccine for a respiratory virus that's very common in infants and the elderly. And phase 3 data for this vaccine could be available before the end of the year. The company just got fast track status for that vaccine. So if those trial results are good, theoretically, this vaccine could hit the market next year.
Yeah, that seems fairly promising. It's at least an intriguing company name to keep looking into.